Hi, I'm Dylan from Family, and I'm going to show you how to set up your ultrasonic cleaner. I'm now going to show you what's included in the package of your ultrasonic cleaner. You have your manual, your ring spindle and spacer, your bracelet holder, your basket, and the main unit. I'm now going to demonstrate the functions of your ultrasonic cleaner. You will want to fill up your basket up to the max marker. Take your basket, set it in, take what you like to clean, put it into the basket, add a drop of dish detergent, close the container. On the interface you can see start, set, and stop. You can set your cleaning time to 90 seconds, 180 seconds, 300 seconds, 480 seconds, and 600 seconds. I'm going to set mine to 90 seconds and press the start button to start the cleaning cycle. Once your device starts its cycle, the blue LED will turn on and you will hear a light humming. You can stop the cycle at any time by pressing the stop button. I'm now going to demonstrate the accessories of the ultrasonic cleaner. The watch and bracelet accessory can be used as a support for your watch. The ring spindle can be used for discs and rings.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.